Today, we are going to talk about how to get started with digital marketing design, and I'm going to show you an overview of the online platform Artboard Studio. Hey everybody, thank you so much for being here. My name is Salwa and I am an online entrepreneur and a content creator. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing for more videos like this where I'm going to show you tips and tricks on how to grow your online business. All right, so let's dive in. Today I am going to show you how to get started with digital marketing design using Artboard Studio. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So here we are on artboard.studio, that's the website. And then you are going to go on the top right and get started. And when you do that, they're asking you to create an account. And don't worry, the account is free and it's amazing. So you register using either your Facebook or Google and then create an account. So once you have an account, you should be seeing this screen, and this one has my login already. So let's just go over the platform of Artboard Studio. The first thing you want to do is to just scroll down and see what is this platform about. So what is Artboard Studio? It's an online design platform where you can create anything from templates, mock-up to animation. So everything you need for your digital presence for your business. You can use these amazing designs for your business to share on social media. If you are working as a freelance designer or for an agency, you can use the mock-up and pretty much everything they offer for your clients, presentation, work, and everything you need to get done when it comes to design. And I particularly love this platform so much that I became an affiliate partner, and you can find my link down below in the description. So once you create an account, now we are going to go under each of what Artboard Studio has to offer. So if you scroll down, you will see that you have thousands of different templates that are available for you. You can click browse templates and you'll see a lot more here. You can type what you're looking for. So let's say you're searching for a specific template. Let's say soap. Let's say you are a small business that manufactures soaps. This would be a really good place to look for some design for you. And everything is customizable. This is what I really love about Artboard Studio. And the photos are so professional and it's such a great quality that it's just amazing. Okay, so let me say, for example, I'm gonna pick this one, and you can go here, start designing. And everything you design, you can save your mock-up, you can share them directly from your account to others, you can save them. There's so many things you can do with that. All right, so for example, here, this is a mock-up for soap, and the beauty of it is everything is customizable, like I said earlier. So for example, if you click here, you can actually change this. And right now, this video, it's just an overview, but I will do more videos when you can actually dive in on the exact way to do a design. So that will be for the next video. Today, I just want to show you how you can learn a little bit more about the platform and how amazing it is for your business. So for example, here, you can just completely change this and then put something else. For example, I would say, salut les filles, that's a French. Say, hey girls, I like that. See, and now it's saved here. And then if you go back to the first tab right here, see, it's been changed, salut les filles, and everything else is customizable. You can see the items here, you know, and then if you click on them, they appear. You can add your logo, your colors, your branding, and make it completely customizable to your brand, which is amazing. Then you can save it, and then you can share it, and you can do tons of things with it. So let's go back to where we were earlier. So if you look back here, now we are on all my own templates and the design that I had started with that. So start with templates. We did that earlier. We have all the templates here. If you go down, you can see all the templates again, like we did earlier. And then you can also look for digital mock-ups. It's anything that's related to, obviously, digital. You can put your brand on an iPhone, on a screen of a laptop. This can be animated. You can do print mock-ups for any of your products. So soap, letters, magazine, book covers, all of that. Apparel, love this. If you have your own shirt line, this is an amazing place to get started where you can put your brand on the person's shirt, and that can look amazing for your website. Packaging, same thing. Any products you're selling, beers, your branding can literally be surrounding the bottle to make it such a great 3D animations for your product. And then obviously social media, which I love the most. You can do a bunch of stuff with social media, Instagram, Facebook. You can do YouTube thumbnails. You can do so much with the platform. And all you got to do simply is to scroll and look for what you're looking for, or you can just search here. So let's say I'm going to type YouTube, and then they give you some of the IDs here. I can do Instagram story, and then here it is, and I have so many things. You have animated, you can change, and honestly, I think you should just play with the platform and see, you know, how you can use it for your own business. Okay, so let's go back to the main page. So we already looked at this, getting started for free. And then just to get an idea, so anyone can design with Artboard Studio. Seriously, anybody. So graphic designers, if you are a packaging designer, if you are not a designer and you don't know how to get started, Artboards offer mockups and templates that are already designed, and all you got to do is to update them or customize them with your brand. So it's very, very easy to use. If you're a painter, illustrator, a UI, UX designers, stock asset sellers, you can literally have your presentation done in Artboard Studio and present them from there. And then freelancers, agencies, and enterprise are already using Artboard Studio. As you can see here, some of the brands that are using them for their design. So it's amazing. You have tons of reviews. So this company is legit, my friend. So now, we already looked quickly an overview of the templates. I want to show you this too. You have top, front, and perspective. So if you want something more animated or 3D, it's really nice. Look at this one, for example, for your business cards. It's really cool. And then if you look on the left, we already covered some of them, but look at that. We have outdoor mockups as well as artwork mockups. So these are amazing things when you can totally replace your brand with this. And it's really cool. Artwork as well, and you just can scroll down and then just start designing. Very easy. All right, so the next thing I want to show you is items. So items is essentially are a bunch of different items that you can use for your branding. You can also download your own, but if they are already there, you can just, you know, pick them from here and then install your design on it. I do that a lot with laptops, where I can just put a photo of me or a photo of one of my course on the laptop and then do a nice presentation. For example, share one of my products. So if you don't find what you want here, you can just simply search for it, or you can go to the bar to the left, and there's tons of different items that you can add to your brand. So for example, flowers, for nature, bakery, if you want any of these products on your brand, cosmetics, stationery, and so on. And then just for the sake of it, let's just look for an item, let's say makeup. And voila, you have tons of items there. Okay, so now you know that. Let's do the next thing is features. So here's the things you can do with this. First of all, we already shared that you have a lot of templates available. So that's really amazing, and everything can be shared on all your platforms. So for example, let's say you are creating one type of design and you have different projects in your Artboard Studio back office. You can have that one and shared on all the other platforms. I'll get into that more into details on other videos, but I just wanted to give you that information. You have a huge library of mockups and templates. The photos are taken by professionals. They're amazing. You can also present directly your presentation from the Artboard Studio software to your clients. So if it's a virtual meeting, you can do that by just sharing your screen, and you don't necessarily need to download and save all the things. You can just do the presentation straight from the website. Then you can collaborate with a team or friends through the website, so you can share that with them and you can add them onto your team as well. And one of my favorite is when you can wrap up your design around a product, and that looks so professional for your business. You can customize every details and create your own mock-up scene. You can increase your sales by having eye-catching promotional images. So obviously, the more professional your images look, the better it is for your sale and your business. I also want to share that Artboard Studio integrate with many other platforms such as Figma, WordPress, Dropbox, Google Drive, Photoshop, MailChimp, and so on. And then you can upload your own designs and create the mess mock-up from there. So if you don't want to use their template, you can totally use your own stuff. You download it into the platform and then you can start designing from there. You can also remove the background on some of the images to give it the white background and then add that onto other mock-ups. Seriously, there's so many things you can do with that platform, and it's so easy to use. Quick overview, you can work with the layers. You have free stock images, you have illustrations, filters, Google fonts, and so on. You just go onto Artboard Studio, artboard.studio/features, and you can see all the features, and you can just click on them, and then you'll find out for yourself. All right, so let's go back to the top. I want to quickly talk about pricing. You can do a lot with Artboard Studio for free. So you can see here, you can do a bunch of things for free. But if you are a professional and you are really using design on a daily basis for your business, I highly recommend to go with the paid plan, which is only $15 a month. And you can cancel anytime because it's a monthly subscriptions. So yeah, and if you look here, you can unlock all items and content. You have access to premium templates. You have a project presentation, custom fonts, etc. So seriously consider using your Artboard Studio for $15 a month, and you can find my link down below if you want to get started. This platform has amazing reviews. If you have any questions, you can go under the FAQ down below and they'd be happy to answer your question. I personally know the founders, they are amazing. So if you have any question, go into the contact us page and I'm sure they'll be happy to help you out. And that's about it. You have here, you can use like use cases. I'm going to show you this really right quick. So these, if you go here, you can see how people use Artboard Studio. So for example, freelance designers, this is what they do and how they use Artboard Studio for their project. Advertising agency, what they do with it, you can see it here. Packaging designers, UI, UX designers, like I mentioned previously, illustrators, stock asset sellers. You simply go on here and you can see what they've been working on. And obviously people like myself, digital marketing and social media marketers. I love, love, love using this. I would say Artboard Studio is something similar or in between Canva and Photoshop. So it's right in between. Very easy to use, customizable, has tons of feature, and gives you this professional look for your business and your brand. And voila. So I hope you enjoyed this little overview. On the next video, I'll dive in more deeply into what can you do with Artboard Studio, including how to use social media marketing or how to create a mock-up for your new products, a book cover, a YouTube thumbnails. I have tons of content for you coming your way. And if there's anything that you would like or any specific topic you want to request, feel free to put it in the comment below. Lastly, I want to know, what are you going to use Artboard Studio for? I'd love to know, so feel free to share that in a comment below. And I do have a gift for you. Please download, you can find it here, the tools you need to run and operate an online business. As you know, I've been a digital nomad for a couple of years now, and I'm currently in Munich, Germany, filming this video for you. So again, please subscribe, click the bell so you can be notified every time there's a new videos, and I'll see you next week for another video. Stay safe, my friends. Bye.